Transform your garden with gorgeous red succulents. Red succulents are a popular and striking addition to any garden or indoor plant collection. There are several types of red succulents, each with its own unique characteristics and growth patterns. Echeveria, red velvet. This succulent has thick, creamy leaves that range from deep red to maroon. It grows in a rosette shape and produces pinkish-red flowers in the summertime. Sedum spiraeum, dragon's blood. This low-growing succulent has bright red foliage that turns a darker shade in the winter. It produces pinkish-red flowers in the summer and is often utilized as ground cover. Crassula capitella, campfire. This succulent has triangular leaves that turn completely red in the sun. It produces clusters of small white flowers in the summer and is commonly used in rock gardens. Kalanchoe luciae, flapjack. This succulent has flat, paddle-shaped leaves that turn a deep red in bright sunlight. It produces yellow-orange flowers in the winter season and is frequently grown as a houseplant. Graptosedum, California sunset. This hybrid succulent has leaves that range from pink to crimson, depending upon the amount of sunlight it receives. Red succulents are an easy-to-care for and stunning addition to any plant collection. Learn more at asucculent.com.